County in northeastern Georgia, Stevens County in northeastern Georgia, southeastern Habersham County in northeastern Georgia, western Hart County in northeastern Georgia, west central Anderson County in upstate South Carolina, Oconee County in upstate South Carolina, until 2:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:39 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles northeast of Carnesville, or near Martin, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Toccoa, Seneca, Walhalla, Carnesville, Royston, Westminster, Livonia, Gumlog, Cannon and Franklin Springs. Scattered trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Seek shelter inside an interior room. This storm is also producing extremely heavy rainfall. Flooding of drainage ditches and low-lying areas may occur. Small streams will rise rapidly. Do not drive through areas where water is flowing over the road. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville Smart Alert by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Georgia: Franklin, Habersham, Hart and Stevens, and the following counties in South Carolina: Anderson and Oconee.